Hi, my name is CJ, and I'm going to show you how to maintain your stainless steel posts and handrails. The frequency of cleaning will depend on your personal preference as well as the environment that your system is installed in. But we recommend cleaning your system right after it's installed and at least twice a year in order to keep it clean and intact. We recommend using stainless steel wipes to clean your system. These wipes contain a special solvent specifically designed for stainless steel that will emphasize the brushed finish. Make sure to wipe down your entire system using these wipes, paying special attention to flat horizontal areas where debris can gather. That's all there is to cleaning and maintaining your stainless steel posts and handrails. Check out our other videos at youtube.com/viewrail or on our website at viewrail.com.